I believe that there is a truer version of ourselves that's always looking to come out more and more, that's looking to express itself more and more. And as it expresses itself more and more, we're able to live more and more fully and be ourselves more fully. Our true essence. So at this time, just open yourself to the process of doing that and ask yourself how much you would like to change, how you wish your life could be, perhaps, how open you want to be to experiencing the joy of life, how open you are to redefining your life's potential, perhaps to being surprised at just how much potential you have in life. So that might mean letting go of thoughts that don't serve you, or patterns that don't serve you. And you're free to allow any of it to leave now. All the while allowing your greater self to come through, allowing that greater truth to shine through.